Mahaba pa to, 6 of 17.
Oh, content. My God,
Content.
$20.
Oh, grabe ang...
Nangantara pa ang content.
Miss Morn, I'm gonna reach out. The closest of the 9 will answer. If we're lucky, we'll get 2.
I have you. I will keep your spirit anchored here.
You wail across space like a coward, Six. Set aside your shriveling...
Dapat ba nag-orbit tayo para marinig natin yung usapan nila? Ano bang klaseng ano to? Kailangan
Ganun ba yun?
mag-hangout sa orbit? Nawala yung usapan nila eh. Parang takik.
Guardian, there's a cloning facility on Europa because, of course there is. Ikora says it's the last Imperium stronghold left. Clear this out, and you'll break their hold on the system. Hell's bells, my head is killing me, Guardian. Like something's trying to talk to me.
Nako, hindi ako late ngayon.
Oo.
Pasok na ako.
Oh, ito yung ano ah.
Oo.
Hindi ba to yung
Inspection.
inspection? Oo.
Nako,
Puta,
meron na naman.
nagre-reklamo pa rin to. Oh, God. Di ba talo ka na?
It's Six's fault for using you. He isn't treating you like a human.
Oh, neither of us are human, emissary.
Ha?
Diba?
Di ba?
You lose yourself straddling centuries between bouts
Uy,
of
laki.
insomnia. I know your skin forgets where it sits on the periodic table.
Everything Bale said is true.
Nawala?
Hindi,
I
patay
know
na.
it's concerning. I didn't say anything because I don't want you to worry.
Parang fusion
What I
rifle
am
na.
makes it hard sometimes to
Yung
still
ano?
feel human.
Yung malaking brig, parang nawala.
I try.
Ako.
I don't want you to see me any differently.
Nako, kakalabas pa lang na ano na ng Stormblade. Hindi sword ang sagot sa lahat.
Pero dapat ganun.
Ako, weapon lockbox. Ano itong mga... Meron ditong credit. 25 pesos lang yan.
Ako 20 pesos lang. Mas nauunahan pa ako ng long range kasi yung arc body ko eh.
Okay, kailangan palang pindutin yung Z para magpalit.
Six will honor my agency.
Para
Papalit ng
gamitin
Society can't alter
yung
the
renegade
future of its tied
abilities.
to me.
Mapapalitan yung grenade mo.
Ito yung
Ah.
hit.
So much for the stuff they're stuck to our
tapos,
dimensionality.
pag
They can
hinagis
see the
mo,
future when they're in the body, but
Eh,
they
may
can't change
bumagsak
it.
na, may magsusummon ng kung anong, ano mo.
Ah,
Yun.
tapos ito healing.
Oo, apparently. Sa akin, Imperium
What I'm
Pad.
supposed to do.
Okay.
No.
Sabi ko, ano to? Ano ba gamitin to?
Ni Razer.
Babaya. Nag-google na lang ako.
Kaya meron pa akong 3x revitalize. Pero nagagamit yata siya.
Oo, kaya mo kailangan nung charges.
Okay.
Saan kayo?
Baba.
Paano kayo bumaba?
Oh,
Teka,
meron
teka.
sa dyan sa ilalim.
Oh, shush.
Ito. Oh, ito yung inspection email. Pinabalik lang eh.
Naku, 90,000 damage. Uy, ano to? Heal ba to?
Hindi ko rin alam. Ginano ko lang. Yun yung ano ko. Renegade ability.
Kasi hindi natin alam pa yung mga renegade ability natin.
Naka-share.
Ano to?
Hindi ko rin alam. Ano yan? Release na.
Merong healing dito sa likod. Ito for sure, healing to sa akin.
Ride vehicle? Ba't ako may ride vehicle? Oh, grow in power.
May ride vehicle kasi meron yata isa sa atin nag-summon yung pad.
Nako!
Hindi, ako yung nag-summon ng pod. So may vehicle kaya yun? Okay.
O, dun
Six
sa-
gave Bale the Imperium, made him his weapon,
oh,
all to
behemoth.
tithe. Grow strength, build enough power to one day escape reality. And tying them to a body keeps them bound by our dimension. Bale even said that word, bound. We stop the threat of extinction by preventing Six from changing the future.
Ay!
Our bodies
Ano
the
mong
answer?
paulan?
Yan sa baba. Uy! Uy! Uy!
Ako yung
Grabe.
pressure.
Totality access code required.
Totality access?
Pwede kaya tayong magpaan sa treasure? Ako. Dali.
Naka...
Nako!
Wow, buti na lang may...
Travel to next objective. Kala ko last na yun.
believe in the
Listen,
power of
by taking this facility down, you're creating a power vacuum. Without the Imperium patrolling the frontier, expect an all-out conflict between the Tharsis Reformation, Totality Division,
Kalaban
and the
dito.
Pikers. They respect you now.
Ano to? Launch
That
flares.
means I want your help.
Kasi magre-request na tayo ng extraction.
And, congrats on starting a turf war.
Bakit? Isa ng
Ay,
third
kalaban
ward.
pala.
Oh, ba't immune yun? Ba't kayo immune, ha? Ano kailangan bang gawin? Ba't kayo immune?
Kailangan yata natin magpalit-palit sa kung sino.
Okay. Ayun, ito na. Ano yung hindi immune? Oh, good. Ah, naglag na yung mapilo.
Ang binla.
Siyempre.
Well na. I mean, in fairness, medyo bago itong pagtatapot-tapot na bala na to na bumabalik.
Ah, actually, totoo. Medyo ano nga yun eh.
Paano nila inanimate na
Saka... Ako sana kung pwede nilang gawin yan sa martilyo ko, diba?
ay, nga eh, bakit hindi pwede sa, martilyo?
Ah, shit, nandiyan na pala. Thief. Sok na ako, ha?
Ay, andun na. Sige, sige. Naku, nawili. Bawal talaga bumaril. Ah.
Mm.
I still don't know what normal is here. I mean, sometimes it's nice. The food is great. City's terrific. And talking to Ikora is
Message
just
heard.
so easy. But when it's just me, it's hell. The whole world turns in for the night, and I'm still
Job
awake
success.
thinking
Ba't
about
parang wala akong
everyone
nakuha ng reward?
who isn't here. And if I do fall asleep, I'm lost in the haze of Comet, in the Casitas station, in the Mesozoic, in Chicago, in a body that's not mine, far underground. And it gets harder and harder to wake up. Listen, give me a call next time you can't sleep. I could use company. We can go for a walk and keep working on Welsh. There's something I need to think about.
Si Idol ba? Ang bagong aid? Ba't parang madaldal masyado si Idol?
Naku, okay. Madaldal.
Daldal ni Idol eh.
Siguro.
So, supposedly fake Irish si, or interesado siyang mag-Irish.
Sino?
Ito, si Idol. Kasi nag-heal
Ako-
siya or whatever.